Hi there. Welcome back to Angelo Home Tours. Today, we're excited to introduce you to an upcoming community called Linmar Ranch by American West. Located at 5257 Lynn Creek Avenue, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89139, Linmar Ranch offers new single and two-story homes in a desirable southwest Las Vegas location. With 7 unique home designs, you'll find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Enjoy easy access to major employment corridors, shopping, entertainment, outdoor recreation, and desirable schools. Just under 2 miles from the I-15, Linmar Ranch provides convenient connectivity to Las Vegas attractions. And here's another exciting feature: Linmar Ranch is conveniently located approximately 10 miles from the Harry Reid International Airport, making travel a breeze. The Blue Diamond Ranch Center, Town Square Las Vegas, and nearby parks offer endless entertainment and recreational opportunities. In addition, Linmar Ranch features a fiber network that delivers fast, reliable, multi-user internet for today and the future. For any questions or more information about this community, feel free to contact Angelo at 725-287-5242. Thank you for joining us today. We can't wait to welcome you to Linmar Ranch soon.